Hey guys, welcome back to another Project 87 video. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to cook a raw blueberry and cardamom cheesecake. So stay tuned. Alright, so I'm going to be teaching you how to cook a raw blueberry cheesecake. Did you know the blueberry is very high in vitamin K1, vitamin C and magnesium? Also, it's actually really good if you have it long term. It could help with your mental state, with your health and lower your blood sugars. So what I want to show you, I'm going to show you how we do it. It's going to be nice, quick and easy. So what I do, get you to do, follow me along and I'll show you all the ingredients that we're going to be needing for today's recipe. So what you're going to need here, we're going to need some pitted dates. We're going to need some almonds. We're going to need some coconut oil. We're going to need some cashews that have been soaked for a couple of hours. We're going to need some blueberries. We're going to need some coconut cream, some vanilla extract, some lemon juice, some rice malt syrup, some more coconut oil, and some cardamom grounded. Alright, so what I'm going to do here first, we're going to make the base of our cheesecake. So what I've got, I'm going to put our dates in, I'm going to put our almonds in, and going to put our coconut oil in. And what we're going to do, blitz it all up until it's nice breadcrumb consistency. Alright, so now it's done, what we're going to do, we're going to get any kind of little baking dish, doesn't matter what it is. I've got a little rectangle one here. I have lined it with some baking paper, and what we're going to do, we're going to put our little breadcrumbs in, and what we're going to do here, we're just going to flatten this down so it's still nice, and then after that's done, we will put this into the fridge. Alright, so with our base in the fridge, what we're going to do, we're going to make the actual cream, the cheesecake now. So what I've done, I've soaked some cashews for about 4 hours and they've come really nice and soft. So I've given them a rinse and drained them off, and I'm going to put them in here. So I'm going to add that along with coconut cream. And we're also going to add a little bit of vanilla extract. We got some lemon juice. We've got some coconut oil. We've got the other star of the cheesecake. We've got some cardamom powder. We've got some rice malt sugar just to give it extra bit of sweetness. And what we've got here, the star of the cheesecake, we've got some blueberries. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave a little handful because what I want to do is I want to put some blueberries halfway through the layer, so once you cut it, it makes it really nice. So what we'll do, blend this up. Alright, so with that done, I've brought our base back out of the fridge, and what I'm going to do, put this beautiful consistency of our cheesecake onto the base. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put half of it on now. Just tap it out a little bit. And what I'm going to do, as I said, I'll put some more of these raspberries in it. So when we do cut it, it's going to come out really, really nicely. Pour the rest back on. Alright, so once that's done, give a bit of a tap out. We're going to put this in the freezer, probably might take about an hour, so we'll come back an hour and I'll show you when it's cut up. Alright, so while we're waiting for that in the freezer, I've got some really nutritional facts about cardamom. I've actually written it down because there is quite a few. So what I'm going to let you know is here they are. Cardamom is very rich in vitamins and micronutrients. It's a bit of a tongue twister. Micronutrients. These include niacin, pyridoxine, riboflavin, thiamine, vitamin A, vitamin C, sodium, potassium, calcium, copper, iron, magnesium, and zinc, and the list goes on. This shows how good this raw cheesecake's going to be, together with the blueberries. Match made in heaven. So it won't be long until I get it out and I'll show you the end result. Alright guys, I've just taken it out of the freezer here. It's ready to go. I'm just going to let you have a look at what the end product is. I've made this plenty of times. It's one of my favourite little go-to little treats for when we got guests coming over. It's stuck at the moment, but it will come out. Here we go. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel it back slowly. As you can see, I've got a beautiful layer. As you can see, I've got a beautiful layer of the crumbs down below. What I'll do, I will cut a little bit and show you what it looks like on the inside. So as you can see guys, the finished product is pretty happy. I'm pretty impressed with it. Yeah, so what I'll get you to do, comment down below, tell me what your favourite recipe or thing you would like to do with little blueberries. Comment down below, and don't forget, once again, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that little notification button below and you'll never miss a thing. So I hope you've enjoyed this guys, and I'll catch you next time. See ya!